Hi students, good morning to everyone. The last session we have discussed about as 5 problems in a 9.2 exercise. Okay, as now I will discuss the remaining questions in a 9.2 exercise. The start from question number 6. I will start from question number 6. Listen, as if the sum of a certain number of terms of the AP 25, 22, 19 up to so on is 116, find the last term. What is the given? First write question pa. As question number has a given certain number of the terms of an AP 25, 22, as 25, 22, as 19 up to so on is 116. Here what is the given? Sum is given. If the sum of a certain number of terms is 116, so mean sum is given 116. That means sum of n number of an AP Sn is equal to 116. What is the first term? 25. What is the common difference? These two number difference is A2 minus A1. That is for D is equal to minus 3. Okay. So find the last term. So means last term means an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Therefore nth term. So here first you observe n is given or not given. N is unknown. Okay. First find out the number of terms n. After that an. So means a8, a7, a6 similarly. Okay. As an is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. Find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Yes, listen, here what is the first term given, right? First given a is equal to what? 25. Okay, d is equal to what? Minus 3. So means 22 minus 25 minus 3, and Sn is equal to what? 116. Yes, by using the given data, find out the first number of terms by using sum of n terms formula. Sum of n terms, what is the formula? Tell me. As Sn is equal to n by 2, as Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Yes, right ma. Given first substitute here, Sn is equal to 116 is equal to here n by 2 into, yes, 2 into what is a value? 25. 2 into 25 plus n minus 1 into what is the d value? Minus 3. Totally substitute the given formula. Okay. Here n by 2 here 50. Okay, minus 3n plus 3. Okay, has multiplied minus 3 into n minus 3n minus into minus plus 3. Here 116. Here 2 cross multiplied. 2 shifted to left hand means cross multiplied as 6 2s are 12. Here 1 is there, 2 1 3 means 232 is equal to n of, tell me pa, 53 minus 3n. Now again multiplied, each term by term multiplied. Okay, as 232 is equal to 53n minus 3n square. Minus 3n square. Okay. Yes. Next, tell me shifted to left side pa. 3n square minus 53n. Okay. Plus 232 is equal to 0. Is of the one of the quadratic equation form. Okay. Is of the quadratic equation. Next step is factorize. First multiplied 3 into 232. What is it? 2 into 32? Yes. Here 6. 9 6. Okay, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 60. So means factorize by using the dividing the least prime numbers. Okay, as first least prime number 2. Factorize as 2 3s are 6, as 2 4s are 2 8s are. Okay, next again 2 2 1s are 2 7s are 2 4s are. Next 2 8s are, next 2 7s are. Next 3. Okay, 3 2s are 6, 3 9s are 27. Listen carefully. As 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. 24 into 29. as 24 into 29. These are the two factors of 696. Here, what is the next step here? 3n square minus as these two factors. ಈ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ನ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು ರೀ? ಎಸ್ 24 ಮತ್ತು 29 ನಾವು ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಎಸ್ 53 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ಎರಡು ನಂಬರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ನಮಗೆ 696 ಬರಬೇಕು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್ 3n ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 24n ಮೈನಸ್ 29n ಪ್ಲಸ್ 232 is equal to 0. Okay, clear? Yes, here get common outside, 3n get common outside. Here n minus 3 8s are 24 minus 29 get common outside, n minus 8 is equal to 0. What is the common pa? Yes, n minus 8 is get common. Okay na? Yes, n minus 8 is common. n minus 8 is get common outside. Therefore, n minus 8 into as 3n minus 29 is equal to 0. Okay, n is equal to 8 or next n is equal to what ma? As 29 divided by 3, therefore is not possible because is not a natural number. Okay, yes, not possible. Not possible. Therefore, n value is 8 and 29 by 3, but n is 29 by 3 is not possible. Therefore n is equal to 8 only. Okay. Yes. What is our target? Yes. Find out the last term. Last term means nth term. n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. But here n already now recently find out ma n value what? 8. Yes. Substitute here. Yes. Therefore n is equal to 8. n is equal to 8. A8 is equal to a plus 8 minus 1 7d. Okay, what is a value? Tell me. A is equal to what? 25. A is equal to 25 plus 7 into what is the d value? Yes, therefore minus 3 na, d is equal to minus 3. Therefore 25 minus 21 is equal to 4. Therefore A8 is equal to 4. So means the last term means 8th term. 8th term is equal to what ma? 4. Okay, clear? You first read the question. Read neatly question. First, sum of a certain number terms of an AP 25, 22, 19 up to 116. Therefore, the sum of n terms is given 116. Find the last term. Last term means an. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. But n is unknown. First find out the n by using the given data. Yes, a is given, d is also given, sn also given. By using the formula, sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay. Yes. The next question number 9. Sorry, question number 7. Find the sum 2. Question number 7. Find the sum to n terms of AP. Find the sum to n terms. N terms of an AP. N terms of an AP. AP whose kth term is is 5k plus 1. 5k plus 1. So means nth term means an, kth term means ak. Ak is equal to, first rate ma given as ak is equal to 5k plus 1. Yes, what is our target? Yes, find the sum of n terms. So means Sn is equal to find out ma. What is our target? Find the sum of n terms of an AP. n terms of an AP find out ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಮಗೆ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ದಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಓಕೆ, ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್. ಲಿಸನ್ ರೀ, ಹಿಯರ್ ಡಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ನಾಟ್. ಓಕೆ, as d is equal to an minus an minus 1. Put an is equal to a2 s minus 1. So means a2 minus 1. The d is obviously formula. Okay, yes. Listen, here put n k is equal to 1 first. K is equal to 1. Substitute here as a1 is equal to 5 plus 1. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Next a2 is equal to, tell me pa, as 11. Okay, 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Therefore, as a1 is nothing but of a only. The first term is 6. A is equal to 6. Here d is equal to, n is equal to, substitute here, a2 minus a1. Okay, d is equal to what? A2 what? 11 minus 6 is equal to 5. Therefore, d is equal to 5 as a is equal to 6. As by using the formula, as find the sum of n terms of an AP, Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, substitute here. Substitute my Sn is equal to n by 2. Substitute this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into a. What is a value? As a is equal to 6. 2 into 6 plus n minus 1 into, what is the d value? 6. As d is equal to 5. As therefore n by 2 into 6 2s are 12 plus 5n minus 5. Okay, therefore n by 2 into 5n minus 7. Okay, therefore as now multiplied each term by term, 5n square minus 7n divided by 2. Therefore sum of n terms of an AP is equal to 5n square minus 7n divided by 2. Okay, as the sum of n terms of an AP whose kth term is given, but sum of n term find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What is our need? As basic need, first of a and d is unknown. First find out the a and d by using the given data. Okay, here nth term of an AP, as here what is the given? ak. Put k is equal to 1 plus k is equal to 2. Therefore d is equal to a2 minus a1. Therefore obviously a and d is formation. D is form. Okay, a and d also the form. Therefore substitute the given, substitute the sum of n terms of an AP formula. Okay, as dear students, now question number 8. If the sum of n terms of an AP is, sum of n terms is given, what is the given? Sum of n terms of an AP is Pn plus Qn square, where P and Q are constant. Find the common difference. What is our target? As find the common difference. As first you write note d is equal to, as write note d is equal to an minus 1 and an is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. Is one of the very important point. Okay, as first given right ma, Sn is equal to Pn plus Qn square. Okay, Pn plus Qn square. Yes, find the common difference. D is equal to, what is the formula? As n is equal to, substitute here, a2 minus a1. Okay na, a2 minus n. First an means an is equal to Sn minus 1. Okay, as put n is equal to 1. There are two methods is there. First one easy method will solve. After that second method ma. Okay, the first method. Okay, first method. Yes, here put n is equal to 1. S1 is equal to P plus Q. N is equal to 1. Next put n is equal to 2. Put n is equal to 2. Okay, yes, S2 is equal to 2P plus 4Q. 2P plus 4Q. Okay, yes. Here S1 nothing but of A1 only na. A1 nothing but of A only na. Yes, S1 nothing but of A1, the first term. Sum of the first term nothing but of A1 or nothing but of A. Okay. Next here A2 unknown ರೀ. Okay, A2 find out ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಬೈ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. AN is equal to Sn minus AN is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. As means A2 is equal to, tell me, as S2 minus S1. As therefore A2 is equal to S2 minus S1. Okay, what is S2 value? Tell me. Sum of two terms. So means S2 is equal to 2p plus 4q minus S1 what? Tell me. S1 is equal to substitute p plus q. Okay. Yes. 2p plus 4q minus p minus q. Okay. 2 minus 1 1. So means 2p minus p is nothing but of p only. Therefore p plus 3q. Here A2 value. What is our target? Yes. What is our target? So therefore find out the common difference of an AP. Okay. So find out the common difference of an AP. D is equal to A2 minus A1. Here substitute as the common difference. D n is equal to substitute here A2 minus A1. Okay. Here what is A2 value? P plus 3q minus P plus 3q minus what is A1 value? A. Nothing but of A1. Nothing but of S1. That means P plus q. Okay. Therefore P plus 3q, P plus 3q minus P minus q. P get cancelled. 3q minus q means 2q. Therefore the common difference of so the given sum of n terms of an AP is given. Find out the common difference. Therefore the common difference D is equal to what? 2q. Okay, this one is first method, is substitution. First you take Sn, the given condition, right? Put n is equal to 1. Sum of first term means nothing but of A1 is nothing but of A only. Next put n is equal to 2. 2p plus 4q. After that, yes, An is equal to Sn minus 1. Okay. So therefore S2 minus S1. Yes. Therefore substitute here. S2 minus S1 substitute here. A2 value automatically form ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. A2 is equal to SP plus 3q. Substitute D is equal to A2 minus A1. D is equal to 2q. Okay. Second method is also there. As second method, as by using these conditions, here Sn is equal to what? Pn plus Qn square, the given condition. What is our target? Find the common difference. Okay, now find the common difference. The difference formula D is equal to An minus 1, and the first method is substitution. Put n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2. Okay, so after that, as A2 value, A2 is equal to S2 minus S1. Okay, as therefore obviously the common difference value is 2q. Second method by using general condition, substitute the formula. Here An is equal to first An is equal to Sn. Here An is equal to what? Sn minus Sn minus 1. Okay. Yes, here n replacement what? N minus 1. Sn minus 1 is equal to Pn s Pn. So means P of n minus 1 plus Qn square means Q into n minus 1 whole square. Okay. Yes, therefore the substitute the formula. Therefore An is equal to Sn minus 1. Sn value, tell me, Pn plus Qn square, Pn plus Qn square minus Sn minus 1 value, Pn minus P plus Q into n square minus plus 1 minus 2n. Okay. As a square minus b square, a minus b whole square formula, a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. Okay. Yes, therefore Pn plus Qn square, okay, minus Pn plus P plus P, okay, Pn minus P na, okay, yes, plus P ಎಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಈಚ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಬೈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಎನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಓಕೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕ್ಯೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2nq I'll write directly ma as here q into n square q into 1 q minus 2nq but here minus na multiply madidre therefore okay as plus pn minus pn get cancel pn minus pn get cancel plus qn square minus qn square get cancel. What is the remaining? P minus q plus 2nq. Therefore, P minus q plus 2nq. Okay, as an is equal to P minus q plus 2nq. Okay, here as an value. What is our target? Common difference find it ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ an ಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು an minus 1 ಬೇಕು. Therefore, n replacement what? n minus 1. Okay. n replacement of n minus 1 is equal to, tell me similarly, p minus q plus 2 into n minus 1 into q. Okay, as what is our target? D find it ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Common difference, find out the common difference. D is equal to an minus 1. What is the an value? Yes, tell me pa. P minus q plus 2nq minus okay p minus q plus 2nq now multiplied 2 into n into q 2nq minus 2q okay clear. As now multiplied p minus q minus na multiply ಮಾಡಿpa plus 2nq okay minus p plus q next minus 2nq plus 2q. Yes, listen, as here p minus p get cancel, as q minus q get cancel. Okay, as 2nq get cancel. What is the remaining? Remaining only for 2q. Therefore, as what is our target? Find the common difference. As your Ishma. First method also you do, second method also you practice. Okay, but second method is a general method. Yes, substitute the formula. Sn is equal to, next d is equal to an minus 1. Next first an is equal to sn minus 1. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನೋಟ್ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ನಾನು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ರಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ, ಮುಂಚೆ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಪ್ಪ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್? ಎಸ್, therefore the common difference is d is equal to 2q. The same problem, example, same problem, example, I think, yes, example 5, example 5 is one of the very important question. Important, same procedure, same as you are using general procedure or substitution. Okay, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀನಪ್ಪ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಬಂದರೆ ಹೋಮ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ yes, find the sum of example 5. Yes, find the sum of n terms of an AP. Yes, along with me, all of you write. N terms of an AP is np plus 1 by 2 n into n minus 1 into q, where p and q, okay, yes, where p and q are constants, find the common difference. Yes, starting ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ರೀ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ you do. Okay, let's find the common difference. find common difference. Yes, what is the given first? Yes, find the sum of n terms of an AP. Find the sum of n terms of an AP is given. Sn is equal to np plus 1 by 2 into n minus 1 into q, where p and q are the constant. Once again, I will observe the question. Sn is equal to np plus 1 by 2 into n minus 1 into q. Okay, n into n minus 1 q. Find the common difference. D is equal to what? Yes, by using the formula. Tell me, anybody? Yes, an is equal, D is equal to an minus 1. An is equal to first sn minus 1. D is equal to an minus 1. Okay. Yes, first term, sum of n is equal to 1 means sum of one term. First term is nothing but of a only, na? Yes, listen to it. Yes, put n is equal to 1. Put n is equal to 1. The previous problems only 2 methods completed. Ba. Okay, na? Yes, 1 is equal to p plus 1 by 2 into n minus 1 means 1 into 1 minus 1 into q. Therefore, totally 0. Okay, therefore, S1 is equal to p. Is nothing but of, tell me, A1 is equal to A. Okay, is nothing but of S1 is nothing but of first term nothing but of A only. Next, S2, tell me pa, n is equal to substitute here. N is equal to substitute the given condition as a 2p plus 1 by 2 into 2 minus 1 into q. 2 to get cancelled. 2 minus 1 into q. Therefore, 2p plus q. As S2 is equal to 2p plus q. What is our target? As therefore, find out the common difference only. Find out the common difference. D is equal to what pa? an minus 1. Put n is equal to as a2 minus a1. Okay, na? As our an as first find out the second term also. Sorry, as here S1 and S2 find out. Ma. Here an is equal to by using Sn minus 1. Put n is equal to 2. N is second term. Here first term already find out, but second term is unknown. By using this condition, second term you find out S2 minus S1. A2 is equal to, what is S2 value? 2p plus q minus, tell me, what is S1 value? Sp. Okay, therefore p plus q. A2 is equal to p plus q. A1 is equal to only p. Okay, yes, therefore D is equal to, tell me pa, A2 minus A1. Therefore, what is A2 value? Tell me, as p plus q minus p. Okay, minus p. Therefore is equal to p only. Sorry, q. Okay, yes, therefore the common difference D is equal to q only. Yes, very important problem. 3 mark. Okay, actually CET 1 mark question. It's very important. First, put n is equal to 1. S1 find out. After that, n is equal to S2 find out. Next, by using this condition, A2 find out. Ma. Okay, A2 is equal to S2 minus S1. P plus q already find out. Okay, yes, therefore the common difference D is equal to A2 minus A1. Okay, so D is equal to q. As dear students, as now question number 9. Okay, is one of the very important question tree, and also similar example 6. Okay, as compulsory ತುಂಬಾ ಸರಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಆನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ತುಂಬ ಸರಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ 3 mark questions. Okay, na 3 mark question. Example 6 is also one of the very same question. As sum of n terms of two arithmetic progressions are in the ratio 5n plus 4 is to 9n plus 6. Find the ratios of their 18th term. Find the ratios of their 18th term means an is equal to what? Tell me. Nth term of an AP? A plus n minus 1 into D. Okay na? Here 18th term means n replacement of 18th only, a plus 17d. Okay na? The ratios of, find out the ratios of 18th term. Okay. What is the first, right? What is the first? Tell me, anybody? Yes, the given first, right? Sum of the n terms of two arithmetic progression. Sum of the first n terms of first arithmetic progression, therefore consider as S1. Next, second terms of arithmetic progression consider as S1 dash, Sn dash. Okay. Yes, therefore A and A dash, okay, A and A dash and D dash are the as first term and common difference of the two progressions, two arithmetic progressions. As right, let A dash and D dash, A dash and D dash are the first term, and common difference of two arithmetic progression, two arithmetic progressions. Listen carefully, it's one of the very important question. Okay, first consider as Sn, another one can consider as term is Sn dash. Okay, Sn, nothing but what is the formula? What is sum of n terms formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, here write ma, Sn is equal to Sn divided by Sn dash. Okay, is equal to Sn divided by Sn dash. Sn is equal to what? N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, divided by, same procedure, divided by the given first, right? Sum of the n terms of two arithmetic progressions are in the ratios is given. Sum of n terms ratios is given. Our target is find out the ratios of the 18th term. Okay, as n by 2, here same as is n by 2 into 2 into a dash plus n minus 1 into d dash. A and A dash, A comma A dash and D comma D dash are the first term and common difference of two arithmetic progressions. Here given, what is the given? Tell me. Yes, 18th term, the progressions are in the ratio 5n plus 4. Okay, 5n plus 4 divided by 9n plus 6. Okay, listen carefully ma, listen carefully. Here n by 2 get cancelled, 2 shifted to as numerator. Yes, n by 2 get cancelled pa. Here just for 2 only get common outside, 2 get common outside, 2 into a plus n minus 1 divided by 2 into d. Okay, divided by, okay, and again also 2 get common outside, a dash plus n minus 1 by 2 into d dash is equal to 5n plus 4 divided by 9n plus 6. n by 2 get cancelled. Next 2 get cancelled. Okay, what is the remaining? Tell me, what is the remaining? As a plus n minus 1 by 2 into d, a dash plus n minus 1 by 2 into d dash is equal to 5n plus 4 divided by 9n plus 6. Okay, as what is our target? Find the 18th term. 18th term means nothing but of a plus 7d. Here what is there? A plus n minus 1 by 2 into d, comparing to a plus 7d. Therefore put n minus 1 by 2 into d, n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 17 only. Here therefore first substitute the n value, find out the n value. As n is given or not given? Not given. As you are comparing to, yes, listen, a plus n minus 1 by 2 into d divided by a plus a dash plus n minus 1 by 2 into d dash is equal to 5n plus 4 divided by 9n plus 6. What is our target? 18th term, the ratios of the 18th term. 18th term is nothing but of, yes, a plus 17d divided by a dash plus 17d is equal to as 5n plus 4 divided by 9n plus 6. n find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಮ್ಮ. n find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ here observe this portion is not necessary, ಬಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಕ್ಲಿಯರಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ರೀ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಯರ್ ಪುಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಬರಿಬೋದು. put n minus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 17, as therefore n is equal to 35. How? Yes, n is equal to 35. ಹೇಗೆ ಬರೆದ್ರಿ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಡೌಟ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ರೀ. ಯರ್ ಕಂಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ಯರ್ ಎ ಇದ್ದೇರ್, ಎ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಇದ್ದೇರ್, ಎ ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೇರ್, ಯರ್ ಡಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಡಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಡಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ದೇರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇದ್ದೇರ್. ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ 17 ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇದ್ದೇರಮ್ಮ? n minus 1 by 2. therefore n minus 1 by 2 is equal to what ma? 17. n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 17. therefore n minus 1 is equal to 34 plus 1 35. n is equal to 35. Substitute here. Okay, n is equal to 35. Here a plus 17d nothing but of 18th term. therefore a 18 divided by a 18th dash is equal to 5 into 35 plus 4. Okay, divided by 9 into 35 plus 4. Okay, clear? Yes. 5 5s are 25, 5 3s are 15 plus 2 17 plus 4 divided by, here plus 4 as it is, right ma? Plus 4 plus 6 ah? Yes, here 6 3 6. Okay, here 9 5s are 35, 45 are 4. Okay, yes, next 9 3s are 27 41. Okay, here tell me pa 179. here 5 9 5s are 45, 5 4 dashka. next 5 3s are 35, 27 plus 4 31. Okay, 179 divided by 561. Okay, next 2 321. therefore a 18 divided by a 18 dash is equal to a 18 dash is equal to 179 divided by 321. Okay, clear? Yes. Listen ರೀ, here ಎಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ಕೊಂತೀರ? ಗಿವನ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್, ದ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎನ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್. here s n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, 2a dash plus n minus 1 into d dash, n by 2 get cancel. What is the remaining? 5n plus 4 divided by 9n plus 6 as it is, right? Next as n by 2 get cancel. Next step ma 2 get common outside, 2 common is very important problem. As a plus n minus 1 by 2 into d, a dash plus n minus 1 by 2 into d dash, 2 get cancel as it is, right? What is our target? Find the 18th term. 18th term ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಮ್ಮ. ಓಕೆ, n is unknown by comparing the given data, given question as a plus 17d, a as it is there, d also as it is there. Therefore comparing, find out the n value by using the comparing. n minus 1 by 2 into n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 17. Therefore obviously n is equal to 35. Okay, substitute a 18 divided by 18 dash is equal to 5 into 35, 5 into 35, 9 into 35. Therefore 315 plus 6 321, 175 plus 4 179. Therefore as a 18 divided by a 18 dash is equal to 179 divided by 321. Same question, similar question ma. Example 6, what is there? As the sum of n terms of two arithmetic progressions are in the ratio as here 5n plus 4 replacement of 3n plus 8 is to 7n plus 15. Okay, find the ratios of the 12th term. 12th term is nothing but of as 12th term nothing but of a plus 11d. a12 is equal to a plus 11d. Here the ratio is changes ma. Okay, yes, I will give hints. example 6 ma. Example 6. Okay, find the sum of n terms of two arithmetic progressions are in the ratio 3n plus 8. 3n plus 8 is to 3n plus 8 is to 3n plus 8 is to 7n plus 15. 7n plus 15. Find the ratios of their 12th term. Okay, same procedure. You observe. Okay, as 3n plus 8, here what ma? 3n plus 8. 3n plus 8, here what? As 7n plus 15. Okay, here Sn, a and a dash and d and d dash are the first terms and the common difference of the two arithmetic progression. ರೀ ನಾನು ಮಾತ್ರ ರಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಮತ್ತು ನೀವು ನೋಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ರಬ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವೆರಿ 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 ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ರೀ. ಇಯರ್ ಎಸ್ 12 ಮೀನ್ಸ್ as a plus 11d. Okay, as Sn by 2, 3n plus 8, 7n plus 15, sure 100%. Yes, correct. 3n plus 8. Yes, as it is, n by 2 get cancelled, 2 get common outside. Here 3n plus 8, 3n plus 8 divided by 7n plus 15. 2 again get cancelled. Here what is there ma? Yes, 2 get common outside. 3n plus 8 divided by 7n plus 15. Same previous problem. Okay, as here a, what is our target? Find the 12th term, the ratios of the 12th term. 12th term means here what? As a plus 11d, a plus 11d dash, 3n plus 8. Okay, 3n plus 8 divided by 7n plus 15. Okay, tell me what is the answer? N value. First find out the n value. Yes or no? First find out the n value. Here, yes, n minus 1 by 2 is equal to what? 11. 11 2s are, yes, 100% ma. N minus 1 by 2 is equal to 11. Therefore, n minus 1 is equal to 22. Therefore, n is equal to 23. Okay, n is equal to 23. Here, substitute the here. As n is equal to 23 and as here 12th term. What is our target? The ratios of the 12th term. A12 is divided by A12th dash is equal to as 3 into 23 plus 8 divided by 7 into 23 plus 15. Okay, as 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6 plus 8 divided by 7 3s are 21, 1, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 2, 6, 161 plus 15 is equal to here 77, sure 100%, 77 divided by 6, 176, 176. As therefore, as 11 7s are, okay, 11 1s are, next 11 6s are, therefore 7 divided by 16, 7 divided by 16, okay, 7, 11 7s are, 11 16s are, okay, therefore A12 divided by A12 dash. Therefore, what is our target? Let's find out the ratios of the yes, here 77 divided by 176. Therefore, A12 divided by A12 dash is equal to 11 7s are, 11 16s are. Therefore, the ratios of the 12th term is 7 by 16. Okay, yes, first write given data, sum of the ratios of the sum of n terms given, right ma, n by 2 is equal to 3n by 2 divided by 7n plus 15. Next n by 2 get cancel. Next 2 get common outside. A plus n minus 1 by 2 into d, a dash plus n minus 1 by 2 into d dash is equal to 3n plus 8 divided by 7n plus 15. Okay, up to so on. First, after that, n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 11. Sir, 11 ಯಾಕೆ ಈಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ? Here what is there ma? A plus n minus 1 by 2 into D. What is our target? 12th term. 12th term means A plus 11 into D. A plus 11 into D. Here A. Here D as it is there. Therefore n minus 2 is equal to 11. Comparing. Okay. Therefore n is find out as n is equal to 23. After that substitute. Therefore 12th term is the ratios of the 12th term is 7 by 16. Okay. As any doubt you ask me, Hadi, the last class I will give phone number. Okay. As thank you for watching the video. As ಈ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ನೀವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.